What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video, first video of the new year. Today we've got a massive unboxing of brand new NASCAR Diecast. This box right here should have close to 20 brand new 1/64 scale diecast from Circle B Diecast. Then these boxes right here are actually brand spanking new, but from the diecast that were sold out already when I tried to get them from here. So these had to come from somewhere else. But they're all brand new from the shipments the last few weeks. Been waiting to get these, and we're going to go over them one by one. New year, same collector. New year, same passion, same hobby. Let's start off with the small boxes. So first up is the Spire number 7 truck for Kyle Busch in the Texas win, Realtree. So pretty cool. I really like this scheme. Cool that he could win. Kyle Busch did win in 2024. Let's not forget that. So that's starting off with a bang moment there, because I love that truck. Next up, Josh Williams. Scratch that. Josh Bilicki, Circle B Diecast. Number 92. For the Xfinity Series. First slip up of the year. There we go. Got the driver mixed up. All right, so that's quick little box one. Then we got 3 in this one. Let's see if I can get these out without messing up everything. Okay. Okay, so we'll just pop them out one at a time. This is the Ross Chastain 2025 number 1 Busch Light. So the first 2025 coming in. So that's pretty cool. This unboxing will be Ross Chastain heavy, that is for sure. Busch Light Peach for the 2024 season. Really like this one, because it is orangish, I guess. Peach really, I think, could be classified as its own color, really. Then we've got the Busch Light Farmers number 1 for Ross Chastain. Of course, these 2 from 2024. Diecast body and chassis version. Then we got the 2025. Pretty cool, pretty cool. And then let's see how we want to do this. Because this should have, I'm not sure the exact number, but it's close to 20. It is close to 20. They're popping out all over the place. The packing penis getting all over me. So I guess we'll just go one at a time, see what we can find. So I think most of these will be the diecast body and chassis, so technically early releases. First up is the number 48 Ally NASCAR Salutes Chevrolet for Alex Bowman. So the red, white, and blue there. And then while I see it, let me just get this one out, because it's the number 24 Hendrick Motorsports NASCAR Salutes Liberty University for William Byron. And spoiler alert, somewhere in this box is the Chase Elliott NASCAR Salutes. If I saw it, I would get it, but I do not see it. But it's in here. Then next up, we've got Denny Hamlin's Mavis Richmond win diecast body and chassis. Number 11. So there it is. Richmond win. Let's see what we got. Ah, I see it now. So there it is. The NASCAR Salutes number 9. For my boy Chase Elliott. That Coke 600, a race I was at, got rained out for no apparent reason, in my opinion. It was pretty dry when they called it, and everybody there thought the same thing that I did. It was basically dry by the time they called it, so I don't know what they were crying about. Everybody off work that weekend anyways. They didn't have to be anywhere the next day, but what are you going to do? It robbed Kyle Larson of doing something pretty cool. He could have won that race, honestly. But anyways, On to the next. We'll try it again in 2025 this year. Eric Jones, Legacy Motor Club, STP, diecast body chassis, Toyota. Let's see if I can clear these out. Not really, because there's a crap ton of them. Let's see, I'll just put them there. Next up, the number 99 Quaker State throwback for Daniel Suarez. So, throwbacks usually gorgeous, as is this one. Okay, let's see. I think we can stick with that theme. Noah Gragson, Miller Tech batteries, number 10, for Stewart Haas Racing. Recently announced that Gragson will drive the 4-car in 2025. So the 4-car not going anywhere in the Cup Series. We'll have Gragson behind the wheel of that. Next, we've got Daniel Suarez Tootsies, number 99. So this one's really cool. Moving right along, let's see what I can pull out next. Chase Elliott's Napa Gold Filters, number 9, 2024 version. This scheme almost the exact same as 2023. But I'm a sucker and got it, because Hendrick Motorsports will only have one 40th anniversary, and the box has it, and so does the diecast. The paint scheme, I guess, has the 40th anniversary logo, so I'll continue to be a sucker. All right. Shane Van Gisbergen, Wendy's, number 16 for Colleague Racing, Cup Series diecast. Wendy's never misses, really, with their schemes. I love them all. Colleague Racing, for that matter. Okay. Next up, I'd say we're almost halfway through the box. Maybe a little over halfway. Ryan Blaney's number 12 Advanced Auto Parts, 2024 Mustang. As the wind howls outside, not sure if that's coming through, but it is. That winter wind coming through. Let's see what I can pull out next. Pause. This is the number 24 Raptors Coda win for William Byron. William Byron winning early and often in 2024, and then kind of not for the rest of the season, but hey, winning is winning. Ross Chastain making another appearance. Busch Light Crocs, number 1. Busch Light Crocs. I'll try to keep all the Ross Chastains together. Coming up next, Ross Chastain Busch Light Country, number 1. And there's a chance that I make a ranking video of all the 2024 diecast I've got. Spoiler alert, this would be pretty high. I love this car. I loved it on the track. Could have easily won Nashville, I believe, if Kyle Larson wasn't driving over his noggin, going after Denny Hamlin, completely missing and taking out Ross in the process with some other casualties in that one. But that's a gorgeous scheme. And while I've got Ross on the brain, here's his Busch Light Flannel, number 1, from the 2024 season. So all these puppies coming out near the same time. We'll go back over those at the end. Austin Dillon, number 3, Toys for Tots, 2024 Chevy for RCR. And we've got one more in the box, I believe. Noah Gragson, Bass Pro Shops Winchester, number 10 for the 2024 season. Bass Pro Shops salutes Mustang for SHR. So that was the last one in the box. let's get that out of the way, and we will go back over some of them. Probably all of them. But let's make sure this is all of the Ross Chastains. Yep. So we've got 6 of them puppies, including a 2025. The Flannel, the Farmer, the Peach, the 2025, the Crocs, and the Country. So Ross in there. His teammate, Suarez, getting 2 diecast releases here. Throwback and Tootsies. Let's see where I can go next. Eric Jones. Now I'm just kind of freeballing it. A race winner here in Hamlin, Richmond. Race winner Truck, Texas, Kyle Busch. Race winner Coda, William Byron. We got Byron Salutes, Bowman Salutes, Elliott Salutes, Elliott Gold Filter. We have Josh Bilicki, Circle B diecast. We've got SVG Wendy's, Ryan Blaney, Advanced Auto Parts. And then to finish it off, 2 Noah Gragsons. We have his Miller Tech, and we have his Salutes. So that'll do it. Let's see what I can do one more time. If you don't mind, like this video, leave a comment on which diecast you liked the best from the video or what you're excited to see in 2025. Subscribe, please, if you are new. And there's one more look at everything. Thanks for checking this one out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Happy New Year to everybody. Have a good one, and I cannot wait for NASCAR to be back. Thank you, guys.